Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans, and I am a happy planner fanatic. I am absolutely obsessed with a happy planner, and I love to share all sorts of things about my happy planner here with you guys on YouTube. So if you're not already, I would love to have you subscribed, and then let me know in the comments below that you're a brand new subscriber, so I can start to formally get to know you and start that dialogue in the comments. I am decorating my teacher layout this week. I use my teacher layout as my journal. So I don't necessarily have a specific teacher planner, but I have the extension pack. So I already have whited out the days of the week, and then I put the numbers up at the top. So this week I'm using a few different books, but I'm using this page that I've been hoarding for like years. This book is from 2017, so 4 years ago, and I've been hoarding this page because it's just so cute and just really detailed. Like, look at that makeup bag. I can't even handle it. It's just adorable. I am on vacation this week with my husband, so I thought it would be fun because it's like a traveling kit. And then there's this Dates and Holidays book that has this suitcase and then some other sunglasses that match. And then I thought I'd pull a little bit of decor if I need any boxes or like this washi tape and stuff. I'm gonna pull out of Wild Styled. So let's go ahead and get started. Because I use this as my journal, I don't need to like plan for anything. I just like to decorate it a little bit, and then for the rest of the week, anytime I, write anything in my journal and I don't have that much particularly to write, then I'll put in more stickers. But I'm gonna use this. I was thinking of putting it, I guess, up at the top. Okay. And then this long one. I'm super excited. This is a really cute theme. Okay, so I went ahead and cut this because I'm gonna put the quote under. So, wander often and wonder always. Okay, and let's put, I'm trying to figure out how I want to put these stickers down. So let's see. There's a lot of really cute things to choose from, but this just do your own thing I thought was really cute too, and it definitely could match. I'm gonna put that in the middle. Okay, let me see. Oh, and there's also this page, Less Monday, More Summer. So I wanted to maybe put this, I don't know. I definitely wanted to use it. The thing is, it's size for a big, so it's just too big. So let's try and take some of the border off. So Monday is my trash can in here. Oops. Monday is my anniversary with my husband. Let's just move this. So I don't actually want to put it on the day because I won't have any room, you know? And then I also had an idea to change the sunglasses because it doesn't match super well. All right. So I'm gonna white out the glasses, and I really want this to work because if it doesn't, that's gonna be a total waste. Okay, so whited out the pink sticker, and I'm gonna put, hold on, let me get these big ones. Well, that looks stupid. Yeah, that looks really dumb. What should I do? I'm just gonna leave it. Honestly, it's literally just my journal. Like, it's not that serious. It's fine. I'm not gonna think too hard about it because I really do like that it's navy and then incorporates the sunglasses. I'm gonna get a, let me see, like top 3 might be cute. I saw that they had this in this book. I could do like top 3 things that we did this week kind of thing. Let me move this again. I shouldn't have put it down so early. Okay, I'm gonna put top 3 in the middle. Okay, and then this one goes right here. I actually really want to use this, so I'm gonna pull that out and put it on like Thursday, Friday kind of thing. And I am gonna use this one. Okay, so I'm gonna put onto the next adventure on that box. That's really cute. And I thought this would be fun to put in here as well. We are I'm gonna need to like pack a little bit of things because on Thursday we're gonna go travel a little bit and go hiking nearby. It'll probably be like maybe an hour or 2 drive. I don't know, we'll see. Okay. I'm gonna put that there. Where should I put the makeup bag? Put that there. Sleeping. I don't want it to be like in the same spot though. It doesn't make any sense to put it at the beginning of the day though. I'm just gonna put it here and not think too hard about it. Let me go ahead and pull this out. Let's see, listening to music, cute. Let's do putting adventure right here because that's what we're doing that day. Traveling book here. Sunglasses. Be cute there. Wonder if I should keep this passport sticker. If I ever travel out of this country, I think I want to have a passport sticker. So I'm going to put that in my little, I have like this little envelope of super random stickers. So I'm going to put that there. All right, and then I'm just going to put these around. Vacation, and let's put paradise. Okay, so I did use that whole page. Here's another pair of sunglasses. Put them in this top corner. All right, let me see if there's anything else that matches in this book. And I'll pull this out so I can use these. I really, if you haven't already noticed, if you've been watching my videos for a while, I really like to finish pages. Okay, so obviously yellow will not match, but everything else will. So I'll go ahead and stick these around the page. Okay, so that's where I'll put pack your bags. Okay, I think I'm all done. Maybe just pull a couple out of here. One step at a time actually might be good for hiking. And then to match this, I'll put a box on Sunday. Okay, I don't want to put too many stickers because, like I said, this is my journal for the week. Now, I started my journal by just using random stickers, but I've been enjoying using my journal and actually having a theme for the week. So I might continue having a theme, but some of the weeks I might not decorate it and I will just go with the flow. And I'll show you what I mean. I'm gonna put these in here. So when I went with the flow, when I first started journaling, I used like tons of different stickers. And then so I would write a lot, but then I started doing a theme. But then I did go with the flow. Let's see. I did a theme. So it's just kind of been varying. But at this point, I think, I have a lot of stickers. So I should use them. And, if I can use it in my journal, then I will. So anyways, I am all done. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. But until then, please like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye, guys.